Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Foolio. Foolio, When I See You remix official video. This one dropped 3 years ago. Obviously, we see he tragically passed away. So condolences to his family. I reacted to the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 one, Game Over, and then people have been saying to react to this one too. So we're here to react, and this is what we're gonna do. I never listened to the song before. I heard that it is one of the most disrespectful diss song in history. So we're gonna jump in this one and see what the G had to say. Let's go. Let's get it. This is that the two brothers were out with Smith and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. This is isn't this Fantasia When I See You? That's a classic R&B song, right? Yeah. Okay, all right. A family friend of Kenyatta and Trevon Bullard tells News4Jax that the two brothers were out with Smith and Jacoby Grover Tuesday night, celebrating Smith's birthday. When the celebration turned to tragedy, police say the men were all riding together in this car on Town Center Parkway. People in another car that pulled up beside them started shooting at them. So that was a news clip of a triple murder that took place when somebody went out with somebody's birthday. I think this is the one that I said 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 was in the car also. People in another car that pulled up beside them started shooting at them.
Slide through the 12, I don't see nobody outside. Pussy boy, you don't get no rep on doing drive-bys. Ace from the west, how he clicked up with the east side. He ain't been the same since he seen them other three die.
He ain't been the same since he's seen those other three die. So like I said, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐴 was in the car. He's talking about 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐴. This is new to me, guys. So if I'm reacting because this shit is new to me. Alright?
From the west, how he
I wasn't
with
following
the
before.
east side. He ain't been the same since he seen them other three die. Damn, I'm 2-3 high. Bitch, say your goodbye. Gator boy the business like a suit in a bow tie. Like them boys block up like the 4th of July. They got
like them boys block up like the 4th of July. Fireworks time. Binds. Shit.
Same since he seen them other three die. Damn, I'm 2-3 high. Bitch, say your goodbye. Gator boy the business.
Bitch, I'm 2-3 high. Say 23 high.
Rep on doing drive-bys. Ace from the west, how he clicked up with the east side. He ain't been the same since he seen them other three die. Damn, I'm 2-3 high. Bitch, say your goodbye. Gator boy the business like a suit in a bow tie. Like them boys block up like the 4th of July. They got caught lacking, the whole world wanna know why.
They got caught locking on the whole world wanna know. But well, let me finish.
Boy block up like the 4th of July. They got caught lacking, the whole world wanna know why. Went out to eat on his birthday. 4 shot, 3 dead in the worst way.
Huh?
Went out to eat on his birthday. 4 shot, 3 dead in the worst way.
Isn't that ironic? He's singing about the guy that went out to eat on his birthday. 4 shot, 3 died. Alright? Now, you was having a party on your birthday and you dead. You died on your birthday too, bro. So this cycle of madness is mad.
Went out to eat on his birthday. 4 shot, 3 dead in the worst way. Damn. He kept dissing on me. What happened? Now we smoking 23.
He kept dissing on me, now we smoking 23.
Kept dissing on me. What happened? Now we smoking 23. You always on my mind. Always on my mind. When I ride through the east side, I wanna see you. When I see you. When I.
He's brave. He's actually in the fucking cemetery. He's brave. He's brave to be going to that boy's grave doing this shit, bro.
When I see you. When I. You always on my mind. You always on my mind. Riding down Melvin with that iron, I don't see you. I don't see you. Get dead like 232. Happy birthday. We made them boys click up. Call Keith seeing me bitched up. Rand's graduation, man, that man had his chain tucked. Papa boy, you been a bitch, and I slapped you in your shit. I made you pick up a stick, and I made you drop a disc. Blue telling in that jet.
I made you pick up a stick and I made you drop a
stick. Seeing me bitched up. Rand's graduation, man, that man had his chain tucked. Papa boy, you been in a bitch, and I slapped you in your shit. I made you pick up a stick, and I made you drop a disc. Blue telling in that jam, can't so many benefits. Don't wish jail on nobody, I swear they need to free that man, so he could catch a headshot. Police said red dot, I smoke. Pick up a stick, and I made you drop a disc. Blue telling in that jam, can't so many benefits. Don't wish jail on nobody, I swear they need to free that man, so he could catch a headshot. Police said red dot, I smoked so much, but I fell in love with dead ops.
I smoked so much, I fell in love with dead ops. Now they're smoking on you, bro. They're literally smoking on you, bro. This is like, you, in general now, I'm speaking in general now, you put shit out there, you never know what's gonna come around to get you back, man. The energy that you put out there, bro, like seriously, like I said, this is all new for me. I don't normally react to rap music. I don't. So when this whole thing of him dying and I reacted to Game Over by Young and Ace, everyone's saying to react to this. That's why I'm here.
So many benefits. Don't wish jail on nobody, I swear they need to free that man, so he could catch a headshot. Police said red dot, I smoked so much, but I fell in love with dead ops. Rolling meat in the wood, take a nigga bite like I'm sure. You better not get out of line. Catch a face shot like goddamn. Rolling meat in this wood, shoot a nigga off his bike like shoot when I see you. Better hope we don't see you. When I. I'm smoking Rollo all the time. I got the dead ass on my mind when I see you. Get dead like 232. When I. Something now is taking over me. What is this? Michi and Leaky. Goddamn. Quan and 2-3. Fuck the whole back street. Rollo died with his heat. For speaking on Big B. Rest of Bibby.
So he says Wallow died with his heat for speaking on Bibi.
His heat. For speaking on Big B. Rest of Bibby. You always on my mind. When I ride through the east side, I wanna see you. When I see you. When I. You always on my mind. Riding down Melvin with that iron, I don't see you. Get dead like 2-3-2. 23. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, 23. Blow your counters out. Dead bitch.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Oh, ironic, bro. Oh, ironic, bro. And if you notice, he was the only one who showed his face in this video, because this guy showed his face.
I don't see you. Get dead like 2-3-2. Down Melvin with that iron, I don't see you.
I think people who's from the area who would know that.
Get dead like 2-3-2.
It was nice in his face.
Happy birthday. We made them boy click up, call 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and he bitched up. Range grab.
Yo, all ironic, bro. This guy died on his birthday. Now you turn up and dead on your birthday, bro. Like, when is this madness gonna stop? And obviously, Young and Ace right now is riding the wave of Foolio's death by dropping 3 songs since Foolio's death. And people in the comment section are saying, yo, leave that man alone, Ray, blah, 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 blah. And I'm saying, by the looks of things, if it was the other way around and it was Young and Ace who died, Foolio would have been doing the same shit that Young and Ace is doing right now, bro. Black man, stand up, bro. Stand up. Unite together, man. That's all I'm gonna say. This is a disrespectful diss track, cause you're actually at the place of burial, bro. You're at his grave, bro. You're on his grave singing about him. That's disrespectful. Yo, these rappers, bro. Yo, these rappers have a care in the world for life, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. You guys have a care in the world for life. When are we gonna start thinking about the bigger picture? When are we gonna start thinking ahead? And stop thinking for the corner, bro. The corner is not yours. The corner is the government, the system. It's not yours, man. So leave it alone, bro. Ah, man. It is a disrespectful track, and it is a sad time that we're living in right now, where these young people are dying so young, bro. Because no one values life no more. So it is what it is, man. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more from me, just let me know. Drop it in the comment section what you want to see. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely see you guys when I see you guys. Maybe when I see you. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.